ogbenye aka Chukwu ga-enyere gị aka ebe I siri wepụta nna ga-enyekwa gị na mmaji. God bless you.
God bless you.
Nyere ogbenye aka eluigwe ga-enyere gị aka ebe I siri wepụta eluigwe ga-enye gị na mmaji. Nyere ogbenye aka o eluigwe ga-enyere gị aka ebe I siri wepụta nna ga-enye gị na mmaji. Nyere ogbenye aka eluigwe ga-enyere gị aka.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Wow, what's going on here? What's wrong with her?
Oh, no, my woman, my wife.
Okay, your wife.
She blind.
Okay, she's blind.
Yes.
Child. Yeah.
Oh, we need help.
You're in a hard predicament.
Yes, we were.
Okay, you really need help.
Yes, we need help.
Sons and daughters of Zion. Silver or gold I have none. But I have a golden business opportunity that I can give to you. That can change your life. Then you will stop begging under the hot sun. You will be giving under the hot sun. You know, even the Bible says, give us, never lack. But you that you are begging now, how will you get? You will be lacking every time because you are not giving. Child. So, our company is from USA. Sorry, I did not tell you my name. My name is Justice USA. We are offering a business opportunity. This business you can do it will change your life. It's a company. The company say TTP. Do you know the meaning of TTP? You don't know.
I don't know.
TTP is talk to people. And you use your mouth. I know two of you can talk. So instead of you singing, begging people for money, you will be singing, telling people about business, opportunity that can change their life.
It is
and
not
the side benefits of this company is that you will make cool wealth. Look what is cool wealth. Ego juro. Sound health. Yeah, but then freedom and lifestyle. Freedom and lifestyle that you have money and you can travel anytime you want. If you want to take your lunch in Saudi Arabia, you can go there. Then take your dinner in Burkina Faso. You understand? You travel around the world. You enjoy life. Jesus! So it's a business opportunity and the two of you can do it. Instead of you teaming up like this and be begging, you team up and be helping yourself. Our company is all about helper. That is, the more people you help, the more money you make. You just have to be focused. Do you know what is focus, sir? Focus simply means follow one course until you succeed. But you people are focusing on the wrong areas because you are afraid to take decision on your own. You know, fear is false evidence appearing real. So you have to understand the importance of this opportunity, then deal with it.
Imo.
Onwe the moto m hụrụ oburu ga mana ebe m hụrụ ọgba moto n'ụkwụ. Ọ bụ moto ka n'ụkwụ. Ma wụrụ na moto wee ụgbọala. Ahụrụ m mana ọgba moto ụkwụ ala. Ya moto wise. Na anwụ belechiri ka ọkọcha. Nna m go on random.
So my brother, it's a business that you can do. Anybody can do this business. It does not matter your age. You know, age is just a number. This business is a business that you can achieve your dream at the age of 60. There is a great man in this company from South Africa. We all call him Kwarakruma. Kwarakruma joined this business at the age of 69.
This
man! It's not Okwara, it's a Kwarakruma. Kwarakruma joined the business at the age of 69 years. And he achieved his dream. He reached to the diamond level in this company.
This is plain.
Every month, that man I'm telling you makes not less than 20 million. Shishiless, koboless travels around the world. The company will travel you, you will not pay. Free of charge. So you have to do, you use your talent or your ability well. You know one thing about this life is that there is ability in disability. But you have to understand that ability without responsibility is a liability.
Okay.
So you have to put energy in yourself. You bring that talent in you. If you can beg, you can talk.
Continue.
Because you cannot beg with sign.
Biko. Calm down. You have scattered the brain of the family. You talk diamond, you talk this, you talk that. The look of your look is different from the talk of your talk. Even why you the money look or nothing closer to what I hear. You want to go so young,
it's like you have not understand anything from what I'm saying.
But okay, now fine. My wife is blind. Me, I not get to work. Sort of business I need that by go wine. Now here our business today. You don't get too much. How will take to join?
I understand. Calm down, sir. Calm down. Let me tell you something. Great men are not known by what they put on, how they look, or how they appear.
Continue.
Even Jesus said, I will come like a thief at night. Because opportunity comes in a disguised way. You understand? Opportunity don't come in a beautiful way. You understand? Opportunity disguises itself. You will see it and neglect it. Because gold comes from, gold, as shiny as it is, it comes from the dust.
You are now opportunity that come in disguise. So we are usually covering.
That is not what I'm trying to tell you. You are trying to put the blame on your disability. That you are putting excuse. See, procrastination is an enemy to failure. You are procrastinating. See, there is a lady. See, sir, you should not look at your disability because there is ability in disability. There is a crippled man. This man is crippled and deaf and dumb. One person. Do you know that this man come across this opportunity and he start doing it and he start making money? This person I'm telling you have house in Lekki Phase 2. He have a house in Lekki Phase 1. Every part of this Lagos you are seeing he have a house. This person is not blind, but the person is crippled and is a deaf and dumb. Yes, and he did the business.
And don't work as rule on one.
The business is PEP. Do you know the meaning of PEP?
PEP,
PEP is people empowering people. That simply means you support others. You rise by lifting others. Help. You understand? I can require Papa. That is the business. So it's something you can do. And the money that they use in doing it is a small money. Just picking change.
Like how much?
With as well like this, you have package by package, but the lowest package is 30,000.
It is smoking.
With it.
30,000. Maybe in that beside that game. Maybe.
Wait. See. When you can become a guy. If when you understand what Ogaranya did to become a guy. Help to follow people's step to excel. You can do this business. You can do it. You can do it, sir. It's just a little token of money then. You use and register. I say 30,000, but the company does not need your money. You understand? But anything that you did not put your money, you will not value it. That is why the company says you should just bring a little token for your documents. The thing that the company will give you when you register is even bigger than the money they will give you. How much you get on your own?
There is no business. Now, see, I'm going to 30, 50, 10. What I don't get them anyway.
The thing is that you see, this is business. You have to invest to get. You will take from the one in I told that before. That the old ones I've been getting. You put it. If you have like 10,000, I can help you with 20,000.
You know,
it's not that I cannot give you money, but it is better to give a man a fish than it is better to teach a man how to catch a fish than to give him a fish.
You be mumu.
Because I cannot come and maybe give you money or come here and give you 20 naira, 15 naira and pass. But I want to teach you how to make money so that you will not be suffering. Not every time you will be begging here. Okay, do you have like 5,000?
Okay. We don't get up to that amount. We just come out this morning. We never make more money. We never make money today.
I want to help you. My
you talk. You let us talk. You know, go like a I do a friend. I give you talk. We don't get 5,000. I say when a kid in
This man.
I
want to support. Okay, bring 35.
Photo.
I'm collecting this money not because I need it. Also, at least you use the money. The money will become a seed. You know what I mean? Like you are sowing a seed.
3-5.
You sow the seed. The 3-5 you use it and contribute. I will pay the remaining one for you. You think can actually change your life and you will be making a lot of money.
3-5. The PhD there. 30,000, 20,000. About 3-5. If you can get like what I hear. What?
Photo.
Ọgọ ma kọsi ya ọgọ kpọpụta ma ọkpọ nga. Nkịta be ya agwa m ọkọ ewu be agwa m ọkọ.
Sorry yo.
Because onye ara shi na sake gbapụ ọtọ. Buru akpa ihe dọba nga kpọrọ dọrọ nga ga-eji akpa ma pam se eji da akpa na bumi ọhịa akpọ m odosu. Ịgbara ta ị ga-abịa achasị. If I bring you 2-5, your opportunity come but one. Opportunity for number one. Give you what the cash. Tell to begin at home. None of go opiamo. How we sit down, bro? Stupid boy. I want to take a hand and go English. As I know the matter, I'm here by you. Only 30,000. 10 p.m. about to certify. What way you were? Oh, taking this about you. Also, in the market, my bedroom where I'll be able to go. You know, cooking with the open no cooking center. No, say. Soon, our program got the soon on the Ushi nation in the Africa. I'm gonna go okay beneath me. Ibaga kwasa bakurukwendo kuibego. You want your PPT. Very soon you got one RIP. Onye ga chile with them. I need the ranga. My God, the bupu. I gave bupu no. Stupid idiot. Nonsense. You don't know when you car. You could get your naka. Oh, but you tell all about your kureku. Ebe na web bia nyina yako onye isiako. Oh, motor wa friend ke go for high level anya one side. Motor na ga dare therefore. Ihe man akara wo ha.
No be juju be.
O ka so we shigbe go 2020 naira ra ha hi weputa no wo joke.
Umo wa the last thing. E ko won.
Ogo na cost here because he joke stingy o he jide nya. Aso mi kpurishi na o na are ma. Aso mi kpurishi na. Even match baba na dia. Aso mi no ni shigi na na me ejo no mote. Mo do nya ga girlfriend happy nya me ko.
What is it?
Jesus.
Ni wo nye. Aka e wure mpara na biege ni sim onko go. Ha ami. Ni me kom so mini ngone kwole mokoka. Osuma oso.
Ahia no.
Eso?
Sa ahia no do ta o.
Why nye me ko biko?
Ida bunu mo so.
Makije dala me da bojo. Ama happa ga tono timbo mbido. Ni amana de kwa ga bola I will take go game machine no. I will take go e kulu ko machine go. Ya west go block o. Give me money. Give me money ya le wanya lelu.
Oh, kina je me hu na me a. Nso ba no.
Chiefimocomedylatest.